YouTube channel. It's your girl Savvy, back at it again with another video. I'm so excited. It's been way too long since I last posted a video. It's been over a year. I'm sorry. Alright, so today's video is going to be a DIY room decor video. We are going to be making giant Polaroids for your wall. It's basically going to be Instagram inspired. It's going to look so cute. I'm so excited. What's really cool about this project is that you can pretty much find everything that you need here at your house. Basically the things you're gonna need is a watercolor pad. If you don't have this, it is okay. Any type of thick card-like paper with a white background is perfectly fine. The lighter it is, the better. That way it won't fall off of your wall. But for me, I'm just gonna be using this because that's what I have. Next thing you're gonna need is some duct tape and some scissors. Pretty sure you guys have this lying around too. Don't worry, we're not kidnapping anybody, not today. So the next thing you're gonna need are 9 pictures, and the reason you're gonna need 9 is because Instagram is laid out when you first go to someone's profile, you see 9 pictures on their feed. A little tip that I have for the pictures, I highly recommend that you find a filter that you really like and put that filter over all of the 9 that you're gonna place in your room. That way it looks really cohesive in your room. Alright, so without further ado, let's get started. So we're gonna start off with our water pad. We are going to take out 9 sheets because again, we're doing 9 pictures. So you can just gently rip them out, that's fine. Alright, so now we got 9 pieces of pretty thick but yet lightweight paper. This is gonna be perfect for our giant Polaroids. If you guys have ever seen a Polaroid, it should look something like this. So as you can see, there's usually a bit of white space at the bottom, but given the way that I printed it and the size, it pretty much covers the whole thing, and that's ruining the effect of having a Polaroid. So we are going to basically crop these images by cutting them. And I'm just gonna try to eyeball it, okay? So let's get started. Alright, so if your workspace looks a little bit something like this, then you probably did it right. Get some tape. Roll it up kind of like this. We've all done this before. Here, so basically the 4 corners. Should have just said that. So now once you do that, you can kind of just eyeball it and see where the center's at. So once you're done doing that to all of the pictures, you're gonna have something like this. Feel free to go ahead and to kind of spread them out, lay them in the way that you want, figure out what pictures you want next to what pictures. So to put this on the wall, there's a couple of ways that you can do it. I'm gonna go with the way that I can do it at the moment. Right now I'm just gonna tape it to the wall because it is paper, it's pretty light, it's not gonna fall off. But if you wanted to do this in a way where it's kind of interchangeable and you can change out the pictures with your Instagram feed maybe, or just for fun because your pictures are outdated or whatever, you can also use like little Velcro pieces on the back and just glue it there so that you can remove it. You can do the same thing with the images as well. That way you can literally just take it off, stick on a new Velcro piece to your new picture and plop that right there. That way they can kind of be interchangeable. Let's take, oh no. Oh no. Oh. New plan. Alright, okay. Alright, 1 down, 2 more to go. Guys, how freaking beautiful does this Polaroid wall look? Oh my gosh. This thing is crooked and it's making my wall look crooked. Oh no, hold up. Alrighty guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial / experiment. I hope that you guys are able to replicate this little DIY project at home. It's literally super cheap to do and it looks so good on the wall. It literally adds so much character and so much personalization to your room and to your living space. It looks great. I love it and I hope that you guys love it as much as I do. I will see you guys here in my next video and thank you guys so much. I love you. Okay, bye.